guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's in my makeup bag. So I recently got this adorable little pouch which I use as a makeup bag now from Monogrammed by Mia. I will have her Etsy shop listed down below along with her Instagram in case you guys want to check her out. But she is one of my subscribers and sent this to me and I'm so excited and so grateful. It's so cute, so thank you so much, Mia. But I have been using this as a makeup bag recently and I am obsessed. It's perfect. I recently started going to the gym, like an actual gym, so I just throw this in my gym bag. I'll throw it in my purse. It's so easy and compact and small just to put in either bag, and it has all of my go-tos in it, so I'm going to share with you guys what's inside of it. I will try my best to have everything listed down below in case you guys want to check it out, but it is seriously so cute and it has my monogram in gold, which I just think is so adorable. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. But let's just get right into it. So it looks just like this. It's clear, and then on the back of it, it is kind of white. Honestly, this would be super cute as like a pencil pouch as well, but I was just like, no, we'll make it a makeup bag. So the biggest thing in here is actually my deodorant, which is a little TMI, but you know, taking this to the gym or just having this in your purse is so convenient, especially for the warmer weather and tank tops and everything. And I love having deodorant with me, but sometimes I like feel awkward when it's just in my bag, so it's nice to have it in my makeup compartment just because it is compact. And this is just the Secret Invisible. It's non-scented. I accidentally picked up the non-scented, but you know, I really like it. I usually wear the, I think it's like the cucumber mint one, and it's green, so when I was at Target I picked this one up because it was green. It's unscented, but you know, it works. It works. So then the next big thing in here is actually my eyeshadow palette. And I mentioned this recently. I just got this palette from Profusion and it is their Classics. And it is just the most compact little eyeshadow palette, but it's perfect for every day. I love wearing this shade with like a really fun sparkly going on. I use this one as the base a majority of the time. And this is just so nice because it fits in my makeup bag perfectly. I've been wearing eyeshadow a lot more lately and I just love having that with me. Of course, I do carry a little makeup brush with me now. So this one is just from Profusion. It's from one of my other palettes, so it's just kind of a fluffy one, and then like a more I'm not really sure, like this is more of like a lid brush, and then like this is the crease part to blend it all out. Not sure of the name of that, but those are in there. Then I keep a little beauty sponge, and this is just from Real Techniques because I also keep in here dip moisturizer. So this is from Neutrogena. It is their Healthy Skin Glow Shears. I love this stuff, especially for spring and summer, because it is SPF 30, which is awesome. It's very lightweight, and with spring and summer I do get a really nice tan going on, so I don't really find the need to wear a full face of foundation, so I just love throwing this on. It evens out my skin tone. This one specifically adds a little bit of a glow to you, but it also just has that sunscreen, which I think is so important to keep your skin nice and healthy. Then I also keep in here my favorite lipstick, and this is from Pixie Beauty, and this is in the shade Bare Beauty. My favorite shade is Petal Pushers, but I like to keep that at home, so this one is very similar, and I just keep that in my makeup bag, which is either in my purse or in my gym bag. Another lip product that I like to keep with me is this Revlon lip gloss. I've had this for a while. This is in the shade Pink Sapphire at 520, and this is their Ultra HD lip lacquer, and it's really fun because it has a big diamond on the top, but it is just a super glossy lipstick. And of course I keep some eyebrow gel in here as well, just because I do have bigger eyebrows, but they're very natural and I like to brush them up and just kind of keep them in place. So this gel from Profusion is just awesome. It's kind of changing colors because of my eyebrow tint that I put on, so you know, it's all good. Next, I keep a little mini mascara. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is amazing. It is very similar to the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and I like this one just because it is miniature, so it doesn't take up too much space. Another mini that I have in here is this perfume, and this is from Scentbird. I got sent this last summer, but I seriously love them so much. It smells so good. It's just a really nice fresh scent, but I like this because it just twists up and down, so it kind of helps prevent spills. Again, it's very compact, which is awesome for on the go. The next thing I keep in here is my favorite highlight stick, and this is just from Wet n Wild, and it's just a little mini highlight. You just put it on, and I like to blend it out with my beauty blender, but I will literally wear this eyeshadow, some tinted moisturizer, and some lip gloss in the summer with mascara, and I'm good to go. The last few things in here are my chapstick. I love having a chapstick with me at all times. My lips get so chapped so easily. And then my last makeup product I have in here is my makeup mist spray from Pixi, and sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, like I won't even be wearing makeup and I'll just spray this on my face. It's very refreshing. So it's just rose water and green tea. It smells so good, it feels good, it just kind of hydrates your skin. So the last two things I keep in here are just some tweezers. I keep these in here just in case I ever need them. They're from Real Techniques. And then the last thing, and I always get so many questions about this, is my little miniature nail clipper thing. So it's like a nail clip, and it also has like a little emery board on it, but it just folds up, so it's like pocket size. It's on a keychain. This thing is a game changer. My nails break occasionally, and it stinks when you're out and you have a chipped nail and you don't know what to do. This thing is amazing. I will try to find one because I always get so many questions on it. But that is everything I keep in my little makeup pouch. I seriously love this so much. It's so fun. It's so cute. It's so perfect for spring and summer. And I know these transparent bags have been so trendy lately, so definitely check her out. I will have it listed down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. Again, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. But I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!